Now explain employee mileage claims and how to manage them. Mileage is a term used whether you're recording travel distance in miles or kilometres. It should be easy to manage mileage claims. But some employees see this as a way of making untaxed income. And some employers see it as a way of increasing an employee's salary without having to pay more tax. Paying mileage expenses should not be used as a tax avoidance scheme. But employees and employers still try to manipulate mileage. Common abuses of mileage expenses are recording miles, kilometres not travelled, overstating miles, kilometres travelled, claiming a mileage rate higher than that permitted by the tax authorities, claiming for mileage for non-business journeys, claiming for mileage while on holidays or not in the country. It may seem obvious, but you can't claim mileage for a company car. If you have a company car, you may in some cases have to pay back expenses like fuel you used for personal use. Important. Travelling to and from your place of work is usually not considered a business journey and not claimable as mileage expense. It is not the responsibility of the bookkeeper to check mileage claims, it is their responsibility to check the totals. Mileage claims need to be signed off by the employee's managers, or in the case of a small business, the owner. Never pay out a mileage claim unless it is signed off by a manager or the business owner. Get organised. Ensure there is a written policy of how to claim for mileage expenses that can be given to employees. Identify what journeys can be claimed and who needs to approve the claim. Note, if the owner of a business puts in a claim for mileage, it's their business. If they are claiming incorrect mileage, that is their responsibility, not yours. Keep a copy of the tax rules on hand in print and digital format with links to the tax authority's website. You can advise your employer and employees of the rules and the costs of not doing things correctly, but never criticise or argue with them. The business accountant or external auditors and eventually the taxman will discover the overclaiming of mileage expenses. Let them decide on what needs to be done. Your local tax office have specific documentation on what can be claimed, how to document it and what mileage rates are permitted. Go to their website and find out more. Business mileage calculations usually start off at your office and not at your home, usually whatever is the shortest distance. If you work from home or from a rented workspace in a business centre, you need to get clarity from your tax office as to when you can claim business mileage and what location is to be the start of your journey, your home, your office or another location. Going to and from work is usually not treated as business mileage. Check that your car insurance covers you for doing business mileage. Employees may have to pay an insurance supplement to their car insurance provider in order to claim business travel mileage. A fuel card is not an acceptable form of getting compensated for business mileage. If you must pay parking or other related charges when doing business mileage, those fall under employee expense claims and have nothing to do with a business mileage claim. The size of your car engine may affect how much you can claim. Remember that business mileage is designed to compensate you for the wear and tear and running costs of your vehicle. It is not designed to be a profit-making exercise or a tax-free bonus for the employee. Claiming mileage. Employees will need to record the date of the journey and the mileage of the journey on a mileage claim form. They should update the form each day and at the end of the month total the form and submit the claim for mileage expenses. As the bookkeeper, you need to work with the date deadlines for when mileage claims need to be submitted. Encourage everybody to return mileage claims form regularly. The business owner needs to pass them for payment, so organise the collection of the mileage expense claim forms so they don't get lost. Try and get them approved quickly and then pay them so you can get on with your bookkeeping and meeting the month-end deadlines. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.